My name is Michael Weitsel,
And I'm Zach Marr.
and we're representing Dr. Ayse Tekes' Take-Home Lab Equipment Group.
Today, we wanted to show you guys some improvements that we've made to one of our old systems, the dual parallel arm rectilinear mechanism.
Our system showcases a 1 degree of freedom mass spring system that is highly modular, allowing different configurations of springs as well as different weights of masses.
Now, on our previous system, the base and the masses were all hand machined and made of wood, which made it pretty difficult to have consistent tolerancing, and it was also very time consuming to manufacture.
Our new design is all 3D printed, allowing very high tolerances as well as high reliability during manufacture.
Thanks to this improvement in reliability and consistency and tolerancing, it now makes sense and is feasible to mass produce these units and distribute them to laboratories of control theory students.
We hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and
Please look forward to our new videos.